manufacturers must comply with strict hygienic regulations to ensure the quality and safety of products. Contamination can lead to product recalls or health risks for consumers, and long cleaning processes can cost valuable time and money. With intentionally designed hygienic weighing equipment like the PHD floor scale, cleaning time is reduced, increasing efficiency and productivity. With an open frame design, every corner of the scale can be easily sanitized. The water used for cleaning is self-drained for headache-free 360 degrees cleaning, and you can visually inspect 100% of the scale with certainty that if it looks clean, it is clean. This allows you to easily maintain compliance and protect consumers from harm. In addition, the fully sealed bottom plate has no cavities or crevices, and hermetically sealed load cells with IP68 and IP69K eliminate the risk of water ingress in frequent washdown applications. Cables and other key components are protected within the scale, so the weighing performance of your scale is never compromised. The PHD779 lift received the EHEDG Hygienic Design Award in France and is also certified by the Fraunhofer Institute to meet the highest standards of quality, safety, and hygiene.